I've got here my mid-harvest. This is from middle of August. I just finished doing the lemon drop hot sauce, which is incredible. I've got enough. My palate has reset itself enough that I can actually try this. So Criolla de Cocina peppers. This is a mix of some hot peppers, but mainly sweet Criolla de Cocina. So this is, not hot sauce, but pepper sauce. I find it fascinating to get the different flavors. So I'm opening this for the first time. I don't have any of the white stuff on here that comes with some other ones that I've had before. Ooh, I had garlic in here and I also had onions in here. So that's fascinating. And it's this one smells really good. I have a little bit of brine left over from my lemon drop. And so I want to introduce that heat to these peppers. I had a pretty good idea that I wanted to do that. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste this. I'm going to taste the brine. It's got a little bit of heat to it. Not a lot though. It doesn't have one distinct flavor necessarily. It's not too salty. That's nice. Kind of what's incredible about fermentation, it really does allow the flavors to be there before the heat hits. That is a hot pepper. It's like you get peach and then it hits you, the hot. But you get peach first. So this is my lemon drop brine. Not a terrible lot amount, about a half a cup, I would say. Half a cup of brine, gonna put that over here, set that aside. And then we're gonna slowly add it back in, and then whatever's left, what I'll typically do is whatever's left will get put into a jar, and then usually what I'll do is I'll strain it. I'll keep a brine so that when I like smoke meat or you're gonna do a roast or something, ooh, those garlics are gonna be good. See, this one had garlic, and as soon as you put garlic into a pepper sauce, I feel like everything opens up. I'm gonna see what else we had in here. I thought we had onions in here too, but we didn't. These Criolla de Cocinas in the wild, so they're these. They look incredible when you pull them. Definitely got through them. Yeah, that's nice. It's crunchy. It's got this sweet, salty. I'm always trying to place the flavor. It's really good though. Fermentation is just, again, like, I'm trying to find ways that I actually like the thing that I grow, but also it has all these other benefits. What's nice about this is tasting this, I can feel the heat that I introduced with the other peppers. Whereas I think with the one when I made with the Lesia peppers, I think I didn't have enough heat with them. Now I think I have the right amount of garlic and heat and everything else. Got everything in here. So I'm gonna add this lemon drop brine because I'm good with it now. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the brine that I had. So, it's kind of eyeball. And then I do have some vinegar for the back end, some apple cider vinegar. I do think it does help to add some acidity at the end. It doesn't have enough. So here we go. Usually what I'll do is I'll pulse it and then I'll go ahead and smoothie it. Now this isn't as hot as a lemon drop, so it's kind of nice smell. Definitely doesn't have the heat of the others. Gonna try this, check the consistency out. It has this interesting front end. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna add a little bit of vinegar. Getting better at opening that. It's funny how the vinegar, it just pushes everything forward and kind of unlocks it together. At first you're like, what is that? It's got a nice back end. It's got a really nice front forward looking. I'm not sure what the middle does. Oh, it's tasty. So tasty. You can taste the garlic. It's really good. It's definitely got its own distinct flavor. It's the Criolla Di Cocina, and enough of the Sugar Rush peaches kind of break through. Adding that little bit of lemon drop hot salt, I think helped kind of kick it up a little bit. You could make this hot, like if I wanted to, I do have the Sugar Rush peach that's dehydrated. So I could kind of kick that up a little bit, but like, this could literally be a salsa. It's like really good for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in bottles. I like it, it's looking good. And the cool thing about fermentation, almost that, you know, is the longevity. So, you know, they say 3 to 6 months. I know there's people that believe it can last longer. But you know, just the ability to extend your food and also have something that's really healthy. They've got this red, they're really red orange. I got, yeah, and I got another fourth one, so it's gonna be fun. These are really good. Like, I actually was worried because the Lesias didn't come out as good as I thought because there wasn't a distinctness. There's something about the Criolla Di Cocinas and the Sugar Rush Peach with the garlic and then just a little bit more heat. They've got just kind of really nice savory goodness going on. I'm really loving them. So I'll never be able to make this again. Like I can put the elements together, but it is special to now, and you know, you just get to taste now, which there's something to that. I know it sounds cheesy or whatever, but there's something to tasting right now, to being present in the moment, to growing stuff, and then, you know, consuming it and eating it and making it more a part of your life. I think it's incredible, and everyone should do it. Ferment some hot peppers, pepper sauce. I haven't stopped this season. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you learn something. Teach me something. Tell me something I should do that's different. What should I add? What should I, you know, how should I do this differently? How can I make it better? Would love to hear from you. Happy fermenting.